Hi, and very welcome to How to Excel. My name is Ulrika Hedlund. For years, I've worked as a productivity advisor, helping users get more value out of technology. On this site, you'll find a collection of videos where I show you how to effectively use Excel in a number of real-based scenarios. If you're distracted by the ads in these videos, you can access all of our content ad-free on businessproductivity.com or by going to numerous course and video platforms such as Udemy or Vimeo on demand. In addition to the videos you see here, we also produce Storials, story-based tutorials that organizations can purchase to help their employees work smarter with modern tools such as Office 365. Visit Storials.com to learn more.